Oh my god, that's no one, is it? No, Milito's not team of the season. Fucking shit. At least he's alright, I suppose, but shite. I'll open one more. I kind of need my coins, but fuck it, you only live once. All my days, I never get anyone. I think I've opened about, I don't know, few hundred packs, and I've got one in form ever. Like, it was like fucking discard value. Absolute shit. Just quickly go back and discard a couple of things and then try and get the last 25. Last pack, I've got 25k exactly, so it's my last one. Hopefully I'll get someone. It's meant to be happy hour. And I got Sharaawy. Oh my god, I got a team of the season. On my days. On my days, 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 on my days. Holy shit. Oh fuck, I've got team of the season. Sharaawy. Thank fuck for that, you beast. Thank you so much. All my days. Yeah, that's it, guys. Please like. That's like all my days. What the fuck? Yes!